3 interesting facts about women. Biological diversity. Women have a higher degree of biological diversity compared to men. This diversity is primarily due to the presence of 2 X chromosomes 20 in females, while males have 1 X and 1 Y chromosome XY. The second X chromosome in women contains a vast array of genes that contribute to various aspects of development and health. Longer life expectancy. On average, women tend to live longer than men. This trend is observed globally, and various factors contribute to this difference, including biological, social, and lifestyle factors. Some theories suggest that the protective effects of estrogen, a hormone predominantly found in females, may play a role in extending women's life expectancy. Entrepreneurship and leadership. In recent years, there has been a growing recognition of women's contributions to entrepreneurship and leadership.